Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a mom trying to balance screen time, creativity, and just finding little moments of joy in the chaos, you know how special it feels to stumble on a toy that truly delivers. Today, I'm sharing one of those rare wins, the Leitait Girls Toys Bracelet Making Kit. As a parent who loves meaningful, imaginative play, I'm always looking for activities that spark something more than just entertainment. Something that connects, inspires, and maybe even keeps the kids busy while I sip my coffee in peace. This kit recently made its way into our home, and without giving too much away just yet, it's become a surprising staple in our craft corner. What started as a simple after-school distraction has turned into a go-to for gifts, bonding sessions, and even a bit of mom-daughter teamwork. So, let's dive into why this little box has earned a spot on my personal mom-approved list. Let me tell you, as a mom who's always on the hunt for fun, creative, and screen-free activities for my kids, this Leitait Girls Toys Bracelet Making Kit has been such a delightful surprise. When it first arrived, I'll admit, the box looked a little smaller than I expected. I did a double take thinking, is that all there is? But the moment I opened it, I was blown away by how much actually comes inside. We're talking over 3,400 pieces. There are colorful beads in every shape and size, rounds, cubes, flowers, stars, and so many adorable charms like unicorns, mermaids, hearts, and even letter beads so my girls could spell out their names or little messages. It's like a tiny treasure chest of creativity, and I love that it encourages both imagination and fine motor skills in such a hands-on way. One of the things I appreciate most is how easy it is for my 7-year-old to use on her own. She got the hang of threading the elastic bands and organizing the beads pretty quickly. Well, after a little help with the tiny instructions, of course. Now she spends whole afternoons at the kitchen table, deep in design mode, as she calls it. She makes bracelets for herself, her sister, her friends, and even little matching sets for me and her. It's so sweet to see her so proud of her creations. And honestly, it's been such a lifesaver during rainy weekends or when I just need 20 minutes of quiet time. She sits quietly, focused and happy, lost in her little craft world. It's not just a toy. It's a creativity zone, a quiet time savior, and a confidence builder all wrapped into one colorful box. The quality of the materials is really solid, especially for the price. I've seen similar kits at big box stores for nearly double what this costs, and those didn't have nearly as much variety. These beads are vibrant, don't chip easily, and the charms have a nice weight to them. Some are even three-dimensional, like the Little Mermaid tails or cupcake charms. They feel sturdy, not flimsy or cheap like some plastic kids' jewelry can be. The storage tray is super handy too. It has individual compartments, so nothing gets mixed up and the lid snaps shut tight. I love that we can just toss it in her craft bin and go. No lost beads, no mess. Bonus, cleanup is a breeze compared to painting or gluing projects. It's one of those rare toys that's fun to play with and easy to put away. A win-win in any mom's book. Now, let's be honest, there are a few small trade-offs. While there's a ton of stuff, I did notice there aren't as many letter beads as I hoped. My girls wanted to spell out words or names, and we ran out of certain letters quickly. Also, I'd say about half the beads are micro-sized, which is great for detail, but not ideal for younger kids who might struggle with fine motor control. I helped my 5-year-old with some of the smaller pieces, just to keep her from getting frustrated. And yes, the box is compact. Don't expect a giant suitcase of supplies. But once it's open, it really does feel like it expands into something much bigger. I think expectations matter here. If you're picturing a huge, overflowing bin, you might be disappointed. But if you're looking for a thoughtfully packed, creative kit that inspires hours of play, this absolutely delivers. I've gifted this to two of my daughter's friends for birthdays, and both parents texted me later saying how much the girls loved it. One even said it was the first toy her daughter didn't lose interest in after 20 minutes. That says a lot. This kit isn't just a one and done project. It's been going strong since last Christmas in our house, and we're still finding new ways to style the bracelets. They mix and match, stack them, trade them on the playground. It's become this little social currency among her friend group. Plus, they feel so proud wearing something they made themselves. There's a big difference between saying, Mom bought me this, and I made this all by myself. That sense of ownership? Priceless. Overall, I'd say this bracelet making kit is a fantastic choice for any mom looking for a thoughtful, developmentally enriching gift for girls ages 5 to 12. It strikes a great balance between fun and focus, creativity and calm. Yes, it's small in packaging, but what's inside is mighty in imagination. At $22, I think it's a solid value, especially considering how long it's kept my kids engaged. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. In fact, I'm already eyeing another kit in a different theme. If you want a gift that inspires, entertains, and doesn't require batteries or Wi Fi, this one's a winner. Oh, and pro tip, pair it with a little notebook so they can sketch out their bracelet designs first. It adds another layer of fun and keeps the creative juices flowing for even longer. If you're ready to unlock your child's creativity and bring more joyful, screen free moments to your home, this bracelet kit is a perfect pick. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more hands on toy reviews. Think of it as threading your own little chain of parenting wins, one fun, crafty link at a time.